Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Cody here. Welcome to my Woodworks. If you're new, please like and subscribe. Trying to grow this channel. Maybe I'll keep doing some fun videos, but let me give you a quick update, see what we're working on. All right, I got the CNC fired up. About to do a flattening of the spoil board since it's been chewed up a little bit here. All right, and just like that, we have a fresh spoil board. And swinging around here, picked up some material. I am in the process of redesigning these display cases. So here's what we're doing now. I'll tell you if you're not familiar, because you probably aren't, what the old way of doing this was to just cut these shelves to size and just super glue these in place. It's worked great over the years, but the problem is shipping. I've had a couple of these cases that I have shipped out despite double boxing and ample support. These have either broken along the miters like this one or the glass breaks. So in addition to redesigning the case, I've also switched to cast acrylic, which laser engraves absolutely phenomenally. And it looks just like the frosted glass that we're used to doing. So I'm really excited for this new design that will hopefully allow me to be able to ship these display cases. And you can see what I do now is dado in these shelves into the sides, which should make this whole case much stronger. So it should make the whole case a lot stronger overall and allow me to ship these, hopefully not being broken. If you're not familiar, I ship UPS on all of my stuff. However, it doesn't matter who you ship through. You can't ship glass because they will not insure it. So it becomes a nightmare when I ship these cases out. They've become broken in the shipment. I have to try to argue with the shipping company. Long story short, it's been a nightmare process, which is why I took them off the website for sale other than local orders. So I'm really hoping to open that back up. So I need to do some more experimenting with that. I have another piece of cheap pine material to test on and some shelving to make another cheap case. So we offer these in pine to keep the cost down, and we also offer them in your regular hardwoods. Mostly we do walnut and cherry and maple. We're also going to offer oak as well, which is pretty cool because the gray stain on the oak looks really good. But I've been messing around with this too. I picked this up. This is an Amana 91 degree miter fold bit. And I've been playing around with this a little bit to cut the 45s. I always get inconsistent results on the table saw. I've tried table saw, I've tried miter saw. I've just never been able to get good results where I'm satisfied with it. So I picked this bit up and I tried it on this case. It worked pretty well. I went a little bit too deep and actually cut through the miter, which if you're not familiar with a miter fold bit, you actually leave about 15 to 20 thousandths and you don't cut all the way through it. And you end up taking this bit and going almost all the way through, and you leave about that much. And when you're on an 8-foot board like this, because the cases are roughly 2 foot by 2 foot, you cut in your miters and then you fold the box together, and it's awesome when it works. So I'm still experimenting with this. Leave a comment below if you do have a miter fold bit, what tolerance you found left the best result. I'd be curious to know.